Hey, I'm Frank Squio, and this is where the memories are made.
I built this beautiful home with the thought of selling it. The day that they told me I had my cancer, I had to take it off the market. It is the warehouse for the foundation. We have a 3,000 square foot basement with conveyor belts, electric conveyor belts going up my step. We bring 100 people plus in my basement to package cookies. God had me build that house with anticipation of me getting sick and then taking it off the market. You know, we announced the first child, and they called me the night before she's going on a plane, and they said she's not going to make it. First girl, Eva Grace. She's only supposed to live 24 months. And she was able to pull through, and she's actually still hot today, which is amazing.
Hi everyone, I'm Professor Winship, and each fall I have the privilege of leading approximately 50 students on an amazing service learning experience. And this year I am honored to say that we are teaming up with Baking Memories for Kids, a local nonprofit that does amazing things for many terminally ill and sick children in Rockland County and all around the world. Mark, do me a favor, show us and tell us what this learning experience looks like.
What's up, Spartans? I'm Mark Keegan, and I got the Stack Report. Follow me. So, if you haven't heard already, St. Thomas Aquinas College PR students and Baking Memories for Kids are merging together to help boost this amazing organization's social media presence and awareness. My classmates and I are hard at work trying to spread the message that this amazing organization has.
Our goal is to raise $3,000 for Baking Memories. One way we have pursued this goal is by having bake sales throughout campus this semester. These bake sales have been wildly successful and have allowed us to spread the BM4K message to other students outside the communication arts and public relations programs. Another thing we've gotten to do with Baking Memories is participate in their first baking event of the year. This event took place on November 9th, and it was such a great hands-on experience where we got to help bake cookies that will go on to be packaged and sold through Baking Memories.
I'm also so excited to announce that this December 4th on National Cookie Day, my classmates and I will be throwing an event called the Cookie Craze. This event is happening from 1 p.m. to 3:30 in the Romano Student Alumni Center.
Our Cookie Craze event is sponsored by Baking Memories for Kids. At the Cookie Craze, there's going to be a cookie exchange, cookie pong, raffles, prizes.
There's also going to be a cookie eating contest between Stack students. Make sure to come by and show your support.
Hashtag BM4K.
Hashtag Baking Memories for Kids. Hashtag for the kids.
Hashtag Memory Maker.
Don't miss out on any of the memories. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to keep up with all things Baking Memories for Kids. We also want students to know that Baking Memories for Kids is able to send the terminally ill and sick children on vacations of a lifetime through their cookie sales. If you are interested in ordering cookies, there are a few ways you can do this. The first way you can do this is by simply going to Baking Memories for Kids website at www.bakingmemoriesforkids.com. To order through Stack, you can go to Aquinas Hall from 1 to 4 p.m. on November 19th. Or you can email us anytime at stackcookiecraze@gmail.com. If you order through Stack, your cookie tins will be available for pickup on December 4th at the Cookie Craze event. If you don't get the chance to pre-order your cookies, you can always buy them at the Cookie Craze itself. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and notify. This video is brought to you by Mark and Matt Studios. Check them out on YouTube now.